Do you know which skid steer loader model has been the best-selling in the United States? The home of skid loader over the past 10 years? That product is the S650. The new S650 offers console tires as an option. The uniquely designed, wide and deep tread pattern provides excellent traction and grip on any surface. This increases the rated operating capacity, ROC, to 1,285 kilograms. The 18 front LED lights provide overwhelmingly bright visibility compared to competing products, allowing comfortable work in dark environments. The proven champion, the verified performer, Doosan Bobcat's flagship skid loader S650 has returned as the M3 series product.